asked why you stop here. And everybody at work, they're like, Gigi, you can do some eating. They sat there and said, and Marika, she sat there and said, I don't mind, Mary, you can do some eating. I was like, and I said to the chef, I was like, and then the sushi chef, he sat there and said something. He didn't bring me my meds. And he called me and said, what did I say, queen tea, drink with him? I said, no, Tamara, right? And then he goes, no, actually, I like queen tea. And then I sat there and said, oh, okay, he's going to call you up from now on. And then he brought the bags, but he gave them to Carmela, right? By accident. So I still didn't have the bags. So I said something to him, I was like, oh, thanks for the bags. And then Carmela said, oh, he brought me the bags. I said, yeah, which were supposed to be for me. And then he sat there and said, something. I said, you can't call me Queen Tea no more. You can call me Tamara. And he said, yeah, I can't call you Queen. No, you can't. And he goes, he said something about, and then my Grace was like, oh, no, too late, sorry. And then, he did something, oh, then he sat there and said something about cooking, right? And food. And then talking about what needs in the kitchen, you can lots of food and that, what kind of food he cooks and blah, 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 right? I was like, okay then, yeah, it's okay. I like food, you know how much I like food. Yeah, okay, you're not my good graces. But they all talking about every time you have birthday, you're always eating something, you always got food. I always do eat. And Marie's talking about eating them gain weight. Oh, I gained weight. But actually now I think, you know how it starts turning muscle, but you lose it first before it turns to muscle? Yeah, that's what's happening here. Because that's what happened at the 4 Points. Like when I moved here the first time, I gained weight, right? And then I started looking there. I was like, oh, I'm losing some weight. But I really never really paid attention. And then all of a sudden, they're saying, do you work out? I was like, no. Oh, because you don't like to work out? I was like, no. And that's because it started, lost a little bit of weight, right? Because before you turn your stuff turns to muscle, you lose weight. And that's what happened. I lost weight and then it turned to muscle. And I don't know why, because I was just walking up and down the floor, pushing it down his heart, doing rooms, and that was it. And it didn't happen to any of the other girls. And they were doing the exact same damn thing.
Hey, you know what might be a thrill for you guys? Oh, eating a paddle. Yes, but I was talking about stopping.
But I don't know how I got the muscle. I'm only pushing it hurt and then making the best with the other girls. And I was like, muscle from that. And he said, no, it's not from that. I said, well, how the hell am I getting muscle? Why do people sit there and think I go eat? I was Troy. Troy guys up there with her too. I was like, no, oh, you see what I do? I go to work and come home. And but I was eating a lot too. Yeah.
Hello, I'm trying to reach Peter Griffin. Mr. Griffin, are you happy
Oh,
with
wait,
your
it should be.
service?
Yes, and I'm sick and tired of you people always calling during camp.
Or maybe a 9.
Oh, please.
Didn't you used to wear a 9 before? But you're almost there. That's my point. Yeah, so that's what you're saying. You're almost there. Huh?